Hi guys, this is my latest creation, something completely different, and I've named this a Tensor healing wand. Now this has come to me during some meditations, some dreams, some inspiration and some research. And what I've done is, this is for people what want to use energy to help them heal, to help them reach a higher level of vibration, understanding, lots of different things. And what you need to sort of realise with these sorts of things when you're making them, when you're using them, is basically it's an extension of you. So if you've got lovely, beautiful energy, what you're trying to heal people with, these sorts of things will multiply that with a good intention. Now what it's made of, at the end there, so that's a resin end. Inside there's a selenite crystal ball. I've put that in there for various reasons, because it works with the Earth's energies, helps to amplify that. And I've wrapped around there a full Cubit of a 333 megahertz Earth resonance Tensor Cubit. So that's amplifying that, amplifying the crystal. And I've used that one because the Earth Resonance Cubit is a really good healing Cubit, and it works with sound healing as well. So if you use this while you've got some sound music in, or when you're using it with meditation, just sat with you, because it's got that resonance from the Cubit, it does help. Now this handle itself, that is 2 times an Earth Resonance Cubit, and what I've done, I've cut it and I've inserted it into the staff at both ends, so the tension is keeping it in place. And then I've got these tensor rings here. These are half a sacred Cubit. Now I've put these in because that Cubit helps to resonate with the 3D, with the physical. So it helps to harmonise with the other Cubit, 333, helps to bring healing, understanding, higher vibrations. And then you can just use this then. I'm going to use this particular one in my energy healing. I'm just going to use it to amplify my intention, basically. I'm just going to point it to the areas where I need to be healed. So this is the first one I've made, like I said. So I am going to be making more. I don't know if I'm going to be selling this one or not, but I'm definitely going to be making more to sell. So I don't know. I don't even know how much I'm going to sell it for, because it took me a long time to make this. As you can imagine, I've got to set the resin upside down. It just takes a long time to set that separate, then mount it onto that, then put those into there, and then same again. That's the end. I've just set that in, as you can see, like that, like a spiral at the bottom. And I've just put that on, really. There's no real purpose to it apart from just finishing it off on a decorative point of view. The real energy comes from the tensor rings, the tensor Cubit there, and the selenite crystal wrapped in the Cubit there. So let me know what you think of that, guys. Cheers, thank you.